Good afternoon to all. Let us start the chapter probability distribution. The name of the chapter is probability distribution for class 12. See, random variable. First of all, you know what is random variable? Let S be the sample space associated with a given random experiment. A real value function x which assigns a unique real number x w to each w belongs to S is called a random variable. A random variable which can assume only a finite number of values is called a discrete random variable. For example, suppose that a coin is tossed twice. When a coin is tossed twice, the sample space will be tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, head. Consider real value function x on S defined by x or that x is a real number of heads in W for all W belongs to X. Then X is a random variable such that X can be double T, tail tail, it can be head tail, it can be tail head and head head like that. Okay. This is the way of defining. Now go to the sum, it will more better. Go to the sum. Question number one. Question number one, find the mean, variance and standard deviation of the number of tails in two tosses of a coin. Find the mean, variance and standard deviation of the number of tails in two tosses of a coin. In two tosses of a coin, the sample space is given by S is equal to sample space, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. The total number of elementary events is how much? 4. So every single outcome has a probability 1 by 4. Probability getting head head 1 by 4. Probability getting head tail 1 by 4. Like that. Let x is the number of tails in two toes. Find the mean, variance, standard deviation of the number of tails. Your number of tail is the main thing you have to see. So let x the number of tails in two tosses. The maximum will be 0. Sorry, maximum 2 tail, minimum 0. So in two tosses we may have no tail. No tail means head head, one tail or two tail, maximum 2 tail. So the possibility values of x are 0, 1, 2. So when probability getting no tail means 1 by 4. Getting one tail, that will be 2 by 4. One tail means STTS 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Getting two tail means tail, that is only 1 by 4. After that you have to write the power distribution of x is given by when x equal to 0, the respective probability is 1 by 4. When x is equal to 1, the probability is equal to 1 by 2. When x is equal to 2, probability equal to 1 by 4. The mean is equal to summation XI pi. Summation XI pi means 0 into 1 by 4, 1 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 4. Total you are getting how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 between 1. Now variance is equal to sigma square, that is summation xi square pi square minus mu. Mu means mean whole square. Xi square means x square is 0 square into 1 by 4. 1 square into 1 by 2. 2 square means 4 into 1 by 4. Minus mean equal to how much? 1 whole square. In this way you are getting 1 by 2. The standard deviation will be the variance root over sigma standard deviation, the root over of variance, that is 1 by 2 root over rationalization denominator we are getting root 2 by 2, which is equal to 1.414 by 2, 0.707. This is the answer of question number 1, mean, variance and standard deviation. That is the when two coins are tossed. Okay, let us go next number. The second question, find the mean, variance and standard deviation of the number of heads when three coins are tossed. When three coins are tossed, the sample space will be 8. Total sample space will be 8, no doubt. You have to find out mean, variance and standard deviation of the number of heads when three coins are tossed. So every single outcome has a probability, that is 1 by 8. Let x the number of heads in tossing three coins. The number of heads can be 0, can be 1, can be 2, maximum will be 3. The x values we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability when x is equal to 0 means getting no head, that will be triple T, 1 by 8. Getting one head means TTS, TST, STT, 3 by 8. And probability getting two head means THS, STS, SST, 3 by 8. And probability getting 3 head, only one time it is come, 1 by 8. Now you have to arrange, you have to write the probability distribution table. Probability distribution means putting x is equal to 0, probability you are getting 1 by 2. When x is equal to 1, 3 by 8. When x is equal to 2, 3 by 8. When x is equal to 3, 1 by 8. Now you have to find out mean. The mean formula is what? Summation xi pi 0 into 1 by 8, 1 into 3 by 8, 2 into 3 by 8, 3 into 1 by 8. After that you are getting 3 by 2. Next variance will be sigma square, which is summation xi square into pi. Means 0 square into 1 by 8, 1 square into 3 by 8, 2 square into 3 by 8, 3 square into 1 by 8, minus mu, that is mean whole square. Mean equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. After simplification, you are getting 3 by 4. Therefore, standard deviation will be square root of variance, that is 3 by 4 root over, it will be root 3 by 2. Okay. In this way, question number 2 also completed. Let me discuss one more question. A dice is tossed once. If the random variable x is defined as x,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to, a dice is tossed once if the random variable x is defined as x is equal to 1 if the die results in an even number, and 0 if the die result in an odd number. For even number x is equal to 1, for odd number x is equal to 0. Then find the mean variance of x. Then in tossing a dice once, the sample space is given by s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, probability getting an even number. Even number is what? 2, 4, 6, 3. 3 by total 6, 1 by 2. Getting an odd number, that is 1, 3, 5. That also coming 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. I think it is clear. Let us go next. Now, x takes the value 0 or 1. When x equal to 0, getting an odd number, that is 1 by 2. When x is equal to 1, that is getting an even number, that is also 1 by 2. Now you have to write the probability distribution table of x. When x equal to 0, probability coming 1 by 2. When x is equal to 1, probability is equal to 1 by 2. Next, mean formula is what? Summation xi pi 0 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now, variance formula is what? Summation xi square into pi minus mu whole square. Summation xi square pi means 0 square into 1 by 2, that is 0. 1 whole square into 1 by 2, that means you are getting, this is 1 by 2, minus mean, that is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. In this way, 3 questions are completed from the chapter probability distribution to find mean, variance, standard deviation. Try to practice more, next day will do more. Thank you for today's class.